Welcome to another section on question discussion of fluid kinematics. So this question was asked in 2006. In a two-dimensional incompressible steady flow, the velocity component u is given by u is equal to a e raised to x is obtained. What is the other component of v of the velocity? So since it's a two-dimensional incompressible steady flow, it will satisfy the simple continuity equation, that is dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Say two-dimensional flow. So we have the expression, then substitute here. So we'll get dou u by dou x as the e raised to x itself plus dou v by dou y value equal to 0. From here we can say dou v by dou y is equal to minus a e raised to x value. So if we go for integration, we will get v is equal to minus a e raised to x y plus a constant. But since the partial differentiation, integration will give a constant of function x. So f of x will be the answer. So from the question, the option C will be going to be the correct answer. So there is another question asked in 2007. Which one of the following stream function psi is possible irrotational flow field? So the condition for irrotation is that omega value should be goes to 0. Otherwise, half of the curl velocity value should be 0 value. For a two-dimensional case, we can take the first component, that is dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. That should be 0 for the case of irrotation. For a stream function, the stream function psi is related to velocity v is equal to dou psi by dou x, and velocity u is related to psi of dou psi by dou y negative term. Suppose we substitute this value in this equation, we will get that dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square should be 0 value. So from the given options, if we take the option A, we'll take the dou square psi by dou x square term, you will get 2, and dou square y by dou x square, you will get the minus 2 value. So sum of these two value gives to 0. Option A will be the correct answer. All other will not be the answer. This question was asked in 2008. A velocity field is given by u is equal to 3xy and v is equal to 3 by 2x square minus y square. What is the relevant equation of streamline? So equation of streamline, we studied that dx by u should be equal to dy by v is equal to dz divided by omega. So by following this equation, we can find out that dx divided by u is 3xy here, and dy divided by v, that is 3 by 2 x square minus y square. 3 get cancelled. So dx by dy will goes to 2 times xy divided by x square minus y square. That is option C correct answer. Another question asked in 2008. A steady incompressible flow is given by u is equal to 2x square plus y square, v is equal to minus 4xy. What is the convective acceleration along the x direction? So acceleration is given by dou v by dou t value. The two components are along the x direction. The acceleration component is given by dou u by du by dt value. So dou u by dou t plus dou u by dou x plus dou u by corresponding by dou x into dou x by dou t, dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t. So this term we know, that is u itself. This is nothing but v itself. So this is a part of convective acceleration. So we can say the convective acceleration along the direction will be u into dou u by dou x plus v into dou u by dou y. So we can substitute the value 2x square plus y square, that's going to be the u value, into dou u by dou x, that is going to be 4x plus v value is minus 4xy into dou u by dou y, that is nothing but 4x itself. Substituting the value corresponding 1 to, we will get the acceleration ax is equal to 2 plus 4 into 4 plus minus 4. So is a correction, that is derivative of u dou u by dou y we have to take. So dou u by dou y is nothing but 2y. So substituting minus 4 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 value. So this is going to be 624. So minus 2 into 4 into 8, 8 into 4, 32. So answer going to be minus 8 unit. So answer will be option C will be going to be the correct answer. This question was asked in 2010. The velocity potential function is given by an expression phi equal to minus xy cube by 3 minus x square plus x cube y divided by 3 plus y square. The velocity component in x direction is. So from potential function definition we get the, if we take the derivative, negative derivative of potential function with respect to any direction, we will get the velocity in that direction. So we can take the derivative with respect to x and take the negative value. So definitely that is minus of dou y by dou x, we can write that is minus y cube by 3 minus 2x plus x square y plus 0 value. If we multiply minus into the bracket, y cube by 3 plus 2x minus x square by y going to the answer. So correct option will go to option B. Option B gives the correct answer. Another question that is asked in 2010. The velocity potential in the following field is given phi is equal to 2xy value. The corresponding value of stream function is, we have to find out the stream function expression. So from the definition of potential function dou phi by dou x, that gives the corresponding velocity along the x direction, negative of dou phi by dou y value, that also gives the velocity in the y direction. So from stream function we know that this value is given by dou phi divided by corresponding dou y direction if you take it. So that is a condition, negative value. So v is given by correspondingly dou psi value divided by dou x. So we can come to a conclusion that dou phi potential function derivative is equal to dou psi by dou y value first. So here the phi function is given, therefore take the derivative, you will get 2y is equal to dou psi divided by dou y value. So go for integration, we will get the expression for this value, that is y square plus a function of corresponding x value. That's a possible case. Now we have to find out the function is not available in the options. So what is fx value? So from the second expression, that is minus dou phi by dou y value, that is equal to dou psi by dou x value. So if we take the derivative of this first function with respect to x value, we will get that minus dou phi by dou y equal to 0 plus f dash x value. What is minus dou phi by dou y value? So phi function is given by 2xy. So as derivative goes to corresponding minus 2x, that is equal to f dash x value. So we have to find out the fx value, then go for integration. So we will get fx is equal to minus x square plus integration constant. So the final answer for, we have to substitute here in the first equation. So we will get that phi equal to y square minus x square plus a constant. That's going to be the correct answer. So option A will be correct. So this was asked in 2010. The stream function of two-dimensional flow field is given by psi is equal to x square minus y square value. Then the magnitude of velocity at that point 1 is. So from the definition of stream function, dou psi by dou y is nothing but velocity. So that will be equal to corresponding u will be that. So that will be minus u. So 2y will be there. Therefore the dou psi by dou x, similarly that will be the velocity v. So take it to x will be there. So we have to find out the velocity at the point 1. So substitute the value for x and y there. Then the velocity you will get at 2I plus corresponding to j value. So the magnitude of this velocity you will get that is 2 root 2. So that's answer. So this question was asked in 2010. The component of rotation for three-dimensional flow field is given that. So at 1, 2, 3 that we have to find out. So omega is given by half into curl of velocity v value. That's a definition. So 1 by 2 into curl. This value can be expanded as I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z dou v value. The first component of velocity, that is y square plus z square. And second term is x square plus z square. Third w component is x square plus y square value. So now we are going to expanding from the first point. So 1 by 2 into I into dou y of x square plus y square. We have to increase the cross value. Clear? So dou by you will get that 2 by minus 2z, we will get that. Substitute the value for y and z, that is 2 comma 3. 2 3 we have to substitute, then we will get the value 1 by 2 into 4 minus 6 value, that going to minus 1. So minus 1 I will be the first component. Second component we have to expand along j for j. So expanding for j, they have to make the cross multiply like this. So dou by x 2x minus dou by dou z 2z value of half. That will be the term. So while coming to the jth term, that will be negative. So negative of this 21 by 2 into 2 minus 6, that is minus 2 into 2, you will get. So from the first option A, you will find out the answer. Omega is a need not be find out, it will be minus 1. So for a rotation motion, the fluid element does not undergo any shear. Fluid particles do not undergo any circular motion. Circulation around any path is zero, and viscosity may not be zero. So what is circulation? Circulation we always defined as vorticity into corresponding area. That's a definition we study. So vorticity in numerical manner, that will be 2 times the rotation angular velocity omega value, 2 times the rotation component. So for an irrotational flow, omega will be 0. Definitely eta will be 0. Therefore, circulation also will be 0 value. So option C will be the correct answer. This question was asked in 2013. The streamline equation passing through the origin 2, 3 will be. So we know the idea. The equation for streamline is dx by u should be is equal to dy by v, what is equal to dz divided by omega. So since this is a two-dimensional case, we can only consider these two. So substitute the value dx. U is equal to a constant value a. V is also equal to a. So this will get cancelled. If we go for integration, you will get x. X is equal to y plus a constant. So we know to find out the integration constant, we have a condition that this streamline passing through a point 2, 3. So substitute the value. 2 is equal to 3 plus c. Definitely c is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to x plus 1 going to be the solution of the corresponding streamline equation. So option B will be the correct answer. So here is another question asked in 2014, the very similar one. Here the velocity v is given by xi minus yj value. So in place of u it is x, and in place of v the velocity is minus y. So we have to find out the streamline equation for the there's a condition that it's passing through the point 11. So again, equation can be found out dx by u is equal to dy by v. So substitute this value dx by x and dy divided by minus y value. So if we go for integration this, we will get ln x is equal to minus ln y value plus c. So I can take this constant again in ln a value, some another constant value. So if we bring this into left hand side, we will get ln x plus ln y, that is equal to ln a value. So ln a plus ln b, that's our identity we find out ln ab. So here we can write that ln of xy, that is equal to ln a, another constant. So if we take the anti-log here, we will get the solution xy is equal to a constant. In order to find out this integration constant, we have the boundary condition, that is, which is passing through the 1 1. So substitute that x equal to 1, y equal to 1. So we will get the value of c is equal to 1 itself. So xy minus 1 goes to 0. So that's option A going to be the correct answer.